here's another recipe for fruit and cream. It's really good. So you're going to want to get some double cream. If you have single, that's okay, it just takes longer. Some icing, sugar. You're also going to want to have some fruit. So I have some raspberries and some strawberries and a banana, but to be honest, you could add absolutely anything you want. You are also going to want a whisk. If you don't want to whisk it by hand, you could use an electric whisk. You could also want a bowl. So, step 1, you're going to get your cream, double or single or whatever, pour a little bit into a bowl. You've got to remember, there is no measurement for this because cream gets thicker when you whip it. So, what I'm making is just for one person. You're going to want to add a little bit of icing sugar into your cream. Remember, if you add too much, you can't take it out. So it's best to add just a little and then keep adding as you go along. And you are going to whisk that. Whisk it for about a minute. You'll see it in the video, but you're going to whisk it until it gets thick, that it forms peaks and it like doesn't stick to the bowl, if that makes sense. So it's basically like super thick cream. Yeah, that's kind of what you want it to look like. Super thick. I'm not sure why I keep whisking it, but I was having fun. What can I say? So, I found that my cream was a little bit sour, so I added a little bit more icing sugar. But be careful, don't go crazy when you whisk, otherwise it ends up a bit like that and it goes everywhere. Next, I am going to take my knife, I'm going to cut up my fruit into little bite-sized chunks, kind of like you would for any other dessert. I'm going to pour all my fruit into my bowl and spoon on some of my cream next to it because it makes a beautiful dessert. And there you have it. Fruit and cream, strawberries and cream, raspberries and cream, bananas and cream, anything with cream. But it is a beautiful summertime dessert. Think of it as eating mess but without the mess.